Planets have definite paths called orbits, in which they revolve around the Sun. The time taken by a planet to complete one full revolution around the Sun is called its period of revolution. The time taken by a planet to rotate a full 360 degrees on its axis is called its period of rotation. In the order of their increasing distance from the Sun, the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Once considered as the farthest planet, they lost its status of being a planet and is now treated as a dwarf planet. The Sun is the star closest to the Earth, which is at a distance of 8 light minutes from the Earth. It is a huge ball of gases, mainly hydrogen. The nuclear fusion reactions that take place in the Sun, converting hydrogen gas into a helium gas, gives out tremendous amount of energy in the form of heat and light, which is responsible for the brightness of the Sun. The Sun is so huge that nearly 1,000,000 Earths can be enclosed in it. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and is the closest to the Sun. It takes about 88 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. It has no satellite of its own. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. It takes about 225 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. It has no satellites or moons. Venus rotates from east to west. It is the brightest planet in the night sky. It appears in the eastern sky before sunrise and in the western sky after sunset. For this reason, Venus is called a morning star or an evening star, although it is not a star. Earth is the only planet on which life is known to exist. It takes 365.25 days for the Earth to complete one revolution around the Sun. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation about its axis. The tilt of the Earth's axis is responsible for the change of seasons on the Earth. There is a thin blanket of air surrounding the Earth called atmosphere. The right temperature range, the presence of water,